here's the thing. Did you ever see that photograph called the pale blue dot of the Earth captured in a shaft of light from the Voyager 1 billion miles away past Neptune? Think about how small that is. Think about how, compared to that even, we're even smaller compared to the Earth than the Earth looks from there. We are these infinitesimal things. Now, I've got this whole fucking cosmos. The cosmos, even just the observable cosmos, is something like the order of 10 to the 40 something larger than me. And yet in all of that, the only thing that I can write about or be engaged about as an artist is me. I fucking bore me. I know me. I don't want to just deal with me. It's called imagination. Now, that doesn't mean, for example, when I write my plays, I have a character called Danny Wagner, who's my doppelganger. And sometimes when I've written about girls and my sex life in some of these plays, I will talk about it, but it's not about me. The character that is me, just like, say, in Woody Allen's films, is used to advance a different narrative, to advance something more beyond me. If Danny Wagner, my fictive doppelganger, or Manny Cole in a Norwegian, who's a more slick, sort of darker version of me, if that character does something, it's not necessarily reflective of me, because you could argue all my characters are me, which is true to a certain degree, but so trite that it's kind of pointless. It's kind of pointless, but it has to illuminate something to you. I don't know you, Ethan, other than some emails you look at. But I hope I'm not saying something offensive. But earlier, before we started, you had said that you were gay, so I don't want to put that. But I don't need to know your sex life. I don't need to know that you're a lapsed Protestant. I don't need to know that when you were 7, your mother beat you with a tire iron or whatnot. That has nothing to do with why I create art. If you can relate to something that I wrote, that's good. And this is when we talk about things. Well, to say that I can't relate to someone because they're a woman and they're writing about vaginal cysts they have, or I can't relate to a black person because I haven't been a victim of the same kind of prejudice that they are, or I can't relate to you because I've never sucked a cock. That doesn't mean that we don't have to. These are minor things. Sex, race, these are minor things. We all have minds, and the people don't want to use them because well, I could theorize for a whole show, but I'm